Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie a very special knot. This knot is called the Berluti knot. It's one of my favorites, and it is a special knot that was taught to me by a good friend who is from Paris and knows Olga Berluti of the famous shoe company quite well. This was kind of her go-to knot for tying all of her shoes. You might think, of course, something simple like a shoe knot, how complicated could this be? You know, you learned how to tie shoes when you were 3 or 4 years old, and you've been doing it the same way. But as you'll see right here, this knot is very special. It is a symmetric, almost figure eight looking knot that lies flat, that pitches these loops back on the shoe versus your standard knot that you can see is quite sloppy and prone to coming untied. The Berluti knot is a proper double knot, and I've never had this knot come untied during the day. And the other feature of this particular knot is that unlike other double knots, it's very easy to untie. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie the Berluti knot, and you can see I'm using a beautiful pair of shoes. These are my bespoke Gatiano and Girling shoes made by Tony Gatiano and Dean Girling in the beautiful claret finish. So the first step is the same as tying any pair of shoes by simply twisting your laces. I'm going to form 2 loops. It's better if you have quite generous loops here, right? And then I'm going to take the one on the left and I'm going to pass it behind the one on the right, and then I'm going to pinch these 2 together. Now the larger this hole in the middle, the easier this is to do, because then you're going to take everything that was on the left and pass it back through and kind of all the way through. And then you're going to take everything that was on the right and do the same thing. You're going to take it through the middle, right, and push it up through that, right? So then we've got everything, and then you simply cinch it tight. And there you have beautiful Berluti knot. As you can see, this is certainly more complex than your average knot, but I guarantee you with a little bit of practice, it is not as clumsy as it looked right then. So let's do it one more time. There you go. A little bit more time than your average knot, but with practice you will gain proficiency. And as you can see, this is an absolutely beautiful knot. I love you've got these 2 parallel loops right here holding this knot down, pitching these loops back towards the shoe. It's very neat, it's very clean. It is a double knot, all but guaranteed to not come unknotted during the day. And the little bit of extra time it takes to tie this knot in the morning, think of it as merely an investment that you will recover and not having to retie your shoes throughout the day as they come untied. So there we have it. This is the Berluti knot. Of course, for this and more videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit kirbyallison.com, where you'll find the largest collection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories like the Sovereign Grade necktie, pocket square, and so much more. And we also have an incredible collection of luxury shoelaces like the ones you see on these beautiful bespoke Gatiano and Girling shoes. I'm Kirby Allison, and of course I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching.